miles overpass to be completed by summer, while work has begun to relocate the Jamaica Defence Forces main entrance.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Prime Minister Andrew Holness says that work on the Hagley Park Road Improvement Project is progressing according to schedule. Paving work on the newly constructed flyover bridge is almost complete, and the entire Hagley Park 3 miles road project is on track for completion by summer, the Prime Minister posted on social media. The Hagley Park Road Improvement Project is being done under the Major Infrastructure Development Program and is being done at a cost of US $56 million. Meanwhile, the National Works Agency has begun work to improve the flow of traffic at the Jamaica Defence Force South Camp Road entrance, more popularly called Camp Gate. The project, which is valued at US $2.2 million or 275 million Jamaican dollars, commenced approximately 2 weeks ago and is slated to be completed over a 6-month period. The project is focused primarily on intersection improvement and will entail relocation of the JDF's main entrance to Cannonball Gate, which is opposite to Arnold Road. The project also involves road widening works and upgrading of sections of pavement and some drainage features. Additionally, the length of South Camp Road between the Jamaica Defence Force's existing main gate and Arnold Road will be widened to accommodate 2 additional lanes of traffic, while 120 meters of Arnold Road will be paved up to the intersection.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.